Welcome to ProReal. This short video sets out how this avatar-based software is being used in business to support employee engagement. It can be used face-to-face or remotely, usually with the support of a facilitator. It is based on a virtual world landscape which has features such as trees and woods, and a river with bridges to get across, and walls and paths and gates, which provide an interactive and three-dimensional visual platform to create representations of people, to arrange complex situations. Using symbols helps to explore hidden dynamics. Now I'm going to show you examples of how ProReal is being used to increase employee engagement. The software has been used in several ways to help employees voice their hopes and concerns, to create meaningful stories which make sense of complexity in a business, and also as a way of giving helpful feedback. All the examples are real, but we changed the names to maintain confidentiality. In this first clip, we see a scene set up by a sales team focus group. Giving a choice of a part of a landscape to work in, they agreed that the edge of the ravine was an accurate reflection of how they all felt. This was the first time their fears have been so visibly expressed and heard, and open up a series of important team planning sessions with their leader. Clients were positioned over a bridge being hounded by the competition, while the sales team placed on the edge of the cliff trying to communicate on the very challenging circumstances. The focus group positioned the management team far away up the hill and almost out of sight. This feedback was an eye-opener to the managers when they saw the session. This enabled the difficult leadership issue to be raised and then resolved over time. Here is another business. This session is an output of a leader and a team exploring their supply chain from the distressed customer here on the right to the supply control on the wall on the left. By walking through the scene on the ground, we get a vivid impression of the dynamics of this system and can easily see where the attention is needed to make improvements. And finally, the last scene was created by a team to explore how they move into the next phase of a business. The narrative comes to life through the setting up of stakeholders and symbols relating to the organization's past, present, and future. And using ProReal, they were able to see the journey from the perspective of different stakeholders, as well as standing in the future and looking back. The co-creation of the scene gave everyone involved a highly memorable visual reference. So, these have been a few examples of how ProReal has been used with clients to help increase employee engagement. Should you have any questions or want to know more, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.